बदलते लायफस्टायली, खाणा जेवणा आणि बदलत्या संवयींतल्यान गोड्या मुताचें प्रमाण वाडटा. देशाचे सरासरी परस गोंयांत डायबिटीजाचें प्रमाण चड म्हूण आरोग्य संचालक दोतोर संजीव दळवी सांगता.
And food and cultural habits have made us prone to developing diabetes. According to National Health Family Survey 4, the incidence of diabetes in Goa was found to be higher than the national average. Will improve access to treatment and set up 15 community diabetic centers across Goa. Outcome that is, we will digitalize the diabetic registry so that each doctor can track the clinical progress of every individual patient and enable better health outcomes for the Goans.
डायबिटीजा विशीं जागृती खंय बालवाडी आणि ANM कर्मचाऱ्यांक आदाराक घेतले.
Then too we had tied up with the Novo Nordisk Education Foundation, and today once again we are tied up, and I'm so happy that we have tied up with them because we are taking this initiative forward. So many people suffering from diabetes and having complications of diabetes and don't know how to move forward. There are so many people who don't talk about it but quietly suffer. And as a result of which, it is time for the state not to look back but to move forward on trying to create that type of awareness that is required to fight this killer disease, which is a silent disease called diabetes, which not only is solved by just taking insulin, but also it takes you to such a level where some people lose their vision, some people have cardiac disease, some people have other complications, some people have kidney failures, and you constantly see people coming to the hospitals to undertake different types of treatment at different stages of complications, which we do not want in our society today. The most important part, why we are here today, why the students are here today, why the HODs are there today, why the Anganwadi workers are here today, is to try and connect you to this issue and this program that we are taking forward. Because it is through you that this awareness can be created. It is through you that this message can be taken forward. And
गोंय सरकारान नवो नॉर्डिक्स एज्युकेशन फाउंडेशना कडेन कबलात केल्या आणि डायबिटीज बॅरोमिटर कार्यावळ परत लॉन्च केल्या. डायबिटीज केअर सेंटर, उपचार आणि जागृतीच्या माध्यमांतल्यान डायबिटीज नियंत्रणात हाडपाचो कार्यावळीचो हेतू. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी.